So finally here घर वापस आ चुका हूँ and I reached day before yesterday and उसके बाद I've been taking time thinking कि अब मुझे next क्या करना चाहिए. फ़िलहाल I'm blank. For now let me show you the beautiful view from the terrace. You guys enjoy the beautiful sky today. बस इसी चीज़ के लिए कुछ कंपोस्ट भी करते हैं. इसका मैं इंग्लिश नाम भूल गया. Otherwise we call it bahanda in Dimasa language. But yeah, nothing beats this heavenly shades hues of the sky at this moment. Terrace garden of my Amai, my mother. She grows quite a lot of things, brinjal and some beans. It's been 12 days and honestly speaking I didn't feel like creating anything, not to shoot any videos. Yesterday I went to Adim Das place, had a good time there, and then I didn't feel like documenting anything. It's also I'm doing because this is the best thing at this moment that I find myself in. And in this episode I will just like to add few more things than the last things that I shared. वैसे भी अभी तक 32 लोगों ने देखा है. So I'm not sure how to increase the views, or people are whether they're at all interested to hear me out. But that's okay, because this is not about anyone else, but it is about myself, and it is done so that I keep myself occupied, and to keep my mental health in check. By the way, they have released half of my salary out of, last time I mentioned it was as close to a lakh and half, but they released half of it. इसका मैं शुक्रिया अदा करूँ, to have gratitude, or do I take it as a भीख कि okay, take it as a consolation कि अच्छा कुछ नहीं तो कुछ तो मिला, so anyway, thank you for giving me half of my salary being credited. So sweet of you guys. Man ধুনীয়া জাগা এইটো. আজিৰ জামৰিটো without oil. Usually my oil নিদিওঁ. So all fats. নমস্কাৰ. আমি ক্যামেরা মারি. These before. Yeah, that's it. এইটো আংকুল বনোৱা ৱাইন.
প্ৰথম মই তোমাক চিপ দুটা পিছতহে মই খাম.
কি কয়?
কৰিলোঁ মানে হেৰি কৰিলোঁ, হুলস্থুলত বাকী দিলোঁ. আচলতে ভালকৈ বনাব লাগিছিলে, চাইফন কৰি ল'ব লাগিছিলে.
মজা হৈছে আংকল.
এইবাৰ কিন্তু
আপুনি আপুনি ভাল পাব
ভাৱটো আহিছে
এই আংকল I think it was in the year 2012-13 I had my own cafe but yes now Eugene so here we are anyway so she he wanted to have matcha last time I think it tasted like mehndi but I liked it
Your experience was bad.
my experience was okay this one's called
Vanilla matcha.
vanilla matcha and this one is I forgot though इसका नाम क्या था chicken some wings
Chicken wings only.
Chicken
Honey.
wings.
Have you tried
this
वहाँ
one
का
looks
जगह?
good.
Braza Langkha. Kore's Guwahati या फिर Kore's Zoo Road.
Never been there.
Special.
Beautiful skies. लास्ट वीडियो अगर आपने देखा होगा उसमें मैं और कुछ चीज़ें ऐड कर देता हूँ सो व्हेन आई जॉइंड देम आई फिगर्ड आउट कि देयर वुड बी मोर पीपल रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज HR में सिर्फ मिस्टर एन थे हु वाज द VP एंड वी रिक्वायर्ड more people, more human resource. So मैंने मिस्टर MD को बोला कि let's hire more and मैंने ये with this thought I thought of connecting with few people from my earlier organization and I happened to ask this guy जो पहले एक ही साथ हम लोग काम करते थे इन द सेम डिपार्टमेंट इन द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स सो ही वाज लुकिंग आफ्टर द कंप्लायंस द HR पॉलिसीज एटसेट्रा सो आई रीच्ड आउट टू हिम एंड आस्क्ड हिम वेदर ही वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड टू जॉइन सो ही आफ्टर एवरीथिंग सेड एंड डन वो इंटरव्यू के लिए भी आया एंड एवरीथिंग वाज सॉर्टेड ही वाज given the offer letter everything so join करने से पहले मिस्टर M उसके join करने से पहले what I mean is that मिस्टर M मुझे बोलते हैं कि उनका ना joining थोड़ा delay कर दो by 1 week and when I ask him is there any particular reason for that he tells me that उनका verification में कोई problem है I understood कि ये सब बेकार बातें हैं and eventually he didn't want to take him in because he was not even sure about what exactly he wanted to do, how he wanted to run the company. Parallelly मैंने एक और because one social media guy was going out together we thought that हमें उनका काम समझ और पसंद नहीं आ रहा है so I recommended one name from the same organization interview was conducted everything was said and done so उनके साथ भी वही हुआ so he even after being given the offer letter eventually he didn't want to take these guys in because इनको अपना ही vision का पता नहीं था क्या करना है जो मेरे साथ हुआ within 1.5 months you are asking someone whom you hired in the VP position and I was asked to leave very politely कि उनके पास मेरे लिए काम नहीं है so you don't have any vision बस नाम के MD लिखवा लिया है डायरेक्टर लिखवा लिया है अपने नाम के आगे you guys are just purely into sales no offenses to sales people but ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाने के लिए सिर्फ सेल्स करने से नहीं होगा you do not have any vision any brains any guts to run an organization ये 10-15 लोग को लेकर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खोल देते हो and you keep on hiring and firing this person tells me that आपको तो जॉब मिल ही जाएगा you know you look at any organization specifically in any real estate पहले तो ट्रेनर्स लोग होते नहीं हैं यहाँ पे and जब होते हैं the ratio is 1:300 1:400 and you have the audacity to tell me कि मुझे जॉब मिल जाएगा अब ऐसे थॉट प्रोसेस वाले इंसान लोगों के साथ आप क्या ही लॉजिकल चीज़ आप बात करोगे. So whatever happened with me, you guys, if you have heard me from the first episode of this particular thing, I was asked to leave right after 1.5 months. So we all know कि 3 months का minimum probation period होता है in the corporate world. So ये सब बातें मैं last time कहना मिस हो गया था. I've started capturing these and documenting these things, and starting it was huge brain fog. Now at least I've started to think and started to express myself in a more lucid way. And yes, so ये गिल्ट तो रहेगा कि मेरे ज़ुबान पर 2 लोग रिज़ाइन कर देते हैं एंड उनके साथ ये हो जाता है. थैंकफुली वन ऑफ द पर्सन he revoked his resignation, the guy who was working very closely with me in the human resource. I'm yet to ask him whether he got a job or not, but yes, जब ऐसा आप किसी के साथ करते हो एंड आपको इस चीज़ का इल्म होता है कि नहीं पता नहीं, do you carry any guilt because you are playing with someone's money, someone's career, and someone's life eventually. So I will always call this kind of individuals out in this channel. I'll be sharing more uh, in my more than decade and half years of experience, and I hope you will learn something out of my life. Thank you. See you on the next.